All right, this is the GOOLOO GP2000 Jump Starter Pack. It was sent to us by the manufacturer to check out. Comes in a nice pouch just like this. Has two zippers on it, so let's go ahead and unzip it. Has your user manual inside, and then we have the actual pack right here. It has a Type-C connection for charging the jump pack, and it also has two USB-A type connections, as well as the flashlight. Over here on the side, you will have the port that opens up to where you can plug in your jumper cables. And then with one push of the button on the side, it'll turn the device on, and you can see how charged it is. And if you hold down the button, the flashlight will turn on, which is very useful in dark situations. And then inside the mesh pouch here, you have the actual jumper cable attachments. You have your positive and your negative. Also inside the pouch is your charging cord. You'll have the standard USB-A as well as the USB-C connection on the other side. All right, so that's pretty much it for the device. We're going to go ahead and take it outside and hook it up to my vehicle to see if we can get it to start. All right, so all we have to do is remove this plug, and then we will plug in our jumper cables, just like that. All right, and then we find somewhere secure to set our device, and then we're going to connect the positive, and then you can connect the negative to the ground somewhere on your vehicle. And then as long as everything is properly connected, the green light will turn on the device, just like that. And then you'll hit the boost button, and it will boost your battery. So let's go ahead and try to start her up. All right, I'm inside the vehicle, and here we go. Boom, just like that, it starts up. If you're in need of a jump start pack, they can also dual as a backup pack for maybe charging your device like a phone, and also a flashlight here for you. I'm going to highly recommend the GOOLOO GP2000.